Cześć Wam, this is Paweł from Carbone. Today I'm gonna show you how to apply decals on your car. First step, prepare your stickers for application. Find the right place to put them. Remember to follow your project. Help yourself using masking tape. Remove protective paper and spray the inner side of decals using our Carbone Apply Fluid for easy application. Do it gently. You have enough time to do it right. Press decals using squeegee. Hit decals. They will stick better. You can do it using hairdryer. Wait a few hours to remove transfer foil. Apply 3M primer under edges. These parts need to stick more. That's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Greetings from Poland. Bye!